hand hold this particular camera video and try to get some close-up shots of the turtles while they're feeding. They're eating night crawlers here. The shadow you see behind this turtle, he's actually climbed up over the top of this guy here. He hasn't decided he wanted to eat any food yet. These guys here have torn one of the night crawlers apart and are eating it. Yeah, I went out last night. It was drizzling rain just a little bit, and the night crawlers were out in the backyard, and so I went out and caught some of them. They come out in the spring and they actually reproduce, mate above ground. It's a peculiar thing, but it's what they do. Really pretty little spots on the sides of some of their heads. He's just going to walk right on by that particular worm. Get some feeding behavior right here, possibly. These are some of the largest 2-year-old turtles I've ever raised. I have a breeding population of adult box turtles in the backyard, and they winter over there and hibernate in that enclosure. And they lay eggs, and not every egg is fertile, but some of them are. And by keeping the turtles inside the house over the winter, I'm able to allow them to eat every day, and they grow much more quickly than out in the outside enclosure. They are not forced to eat, but they're allowed to eat as much as they want to eat. Like I said, I've sort of shined up their shells with mineral oil. It's food grade mineral oil. I don't usually do this, but I thought for this video I would just shine them up and make them look their very best. So if you have any questions about box turtles, raising box turtles or feeding them, I would be able to answer them. I'm not an expert. I've had box turtles for more than a decade. And I've had a few die, but not from disease. They actually turn over on their backs, and they have been in the hot sun in the summertime, and they were not able to flip back over, and they actually cooked out in the hot sun. Well, I'm going to conclude this video, and if you want to see more, or if you have any questions about turtles, just go ahead and ask me, and I'll be glad to try to answer any of your questions. And if you just have a comment, I'd enjoy seeing any of your comments also. There's a guy. He would get that night crawler over on the other side of the wading pool. Uh-oh, looks like somebody's smelling his leg. Is he going to bite that guy on the leg? Nope. gonna get her. Better hurry. That worm's gonna be gone. There's 4 more worms. There's gonna be plenty of worms for all of them to eat. Look at this guy coming over the top. That's ridiculous. Pretty neat. Really nice photographing turtles that are not at all afraid of me. I guess that comes from feeding them all almost by hand all winter long. They know exactly who I am and that I'm not a danger to them. He's going to get one of his own worms. Just guessing, I would say these box turtles are about 4 inches in diameter. Some of them are quite a bit smaller, like this guy here. He's more like 3 inches, I suppose. Two seem to be sharing a meal. Oh, I think it's, oh my goodness, it's going to be gone. After these guys get done eating these worms, I'll put them back into their regular enclosure where they can sunbathe and have a little bit more privacy. Quite a bit less space, probably, but this video is now 10 minutes long. I think I will end it right here.